Hello, Second Life teachers and trainers. Let me show you how to create a whiteboard that will automatically update as you draw on your computer. It is absolutely free and quick and easy to set up. There is no special software. We will only use a free Google Drive drawing. Step 1. Sign up for a free Google Drive account if you don't already have one. Step 2. Create a new Google drawing by clicking the New button in the top left of your Google Drive homepage. Click on More, then Google Drawings. Draw something as a test to view on your whiteboard. The Scribble tool in the line drop-down works well. Set the color and thickness of your line. A 4-pixel line is a good start. Close the file. It saves automatically. Step 3. Share the document so it is viewable from Second Life. Right-click on the file and select Share. Click Advanced in the bottom right of the pop-up. Click Change on the next pop-up. Select on anyone with the link. Click Save. Right-click on the link to share and copy the link. You will need this link in Second Life. Step 4. Go to an area where you can create. Search for Sandbox in the search bar to find a public sandbox build area if you need a place. Step 5. Create your whiteboard in Second Life. Select Build from the menu, then Build again. Select the cube shape in the Create menu. Click on the ground to create a cube. Your new cube will be selected when it is built, and your Build menu will move to the Edit tab. Click the cube if you don't see red, green, and blue axes. Click and drag the blue arrow to move your cube up. Step 6. Resize your whiteboard. In the Edit menu, click the Object submenu. Our drawing is 8.5 by 11 inches, so we will keep the size proportional. Type the size you want in the text areas. Let's go with 11 for the X size in meters, 0.1 for Y, and 8.5 for Z. This is a big whiteboard, but you can size it any way you like. Step 6. Set the texture to your Google drawing. Select the Texture submenu in the Edit menu. Click on the big square texture box, which defaults to wood, and select Blank. It is important to select the Select Face button on the top of the menu. Then click on the side of the whiteboard where you want to draw. A white bullseye will appear. Step 7. Add your drawing by clicking the drop-down under the color selector. It will be labeled Materials. Change this to Media. Below the drop-down, select Choose and paste the link you copied from Google Forms drawing. Click Apply. Step 8. What you have now works. To dress it up a little, you can remove menu bars by clicking Customize in the Media Settings pop-up. Unselect all the boxes to prevent changes to the link. Close the build menus, select View, then Full Screen on the whiteboard, and you are done. Any changes you make on the Google drawing instantly show up on your Second Life whiteboard. You can draw with a mouse, a tablet with a touch screen, or a drawing tablet? Leave a comment if you get stuck, and I will try to help. You can find my avatar, the Chem Engineer, in Second Life. I am frequently in my educational region, heavy industry, where we teach how to be a refinery operator.